Good morning, student. Today our topic of discussion is money and credit. And our other sub point of discussion is money as a medium of exchange, modern forms of money, formal sector credit in India, and self-help group. So our first topic of discussion is money as a medium of exchange. Student, earlier we found barter system of exchange where a person desires to sell is exactly what the other person wishes to buy. For example, a person wants to sell shoes in the market and buy wheat from other person. Imagine, such type of system is very difficult. Now, in today's era, we found money as a medium of exchange. Something that buyers will exchange with a seller when they want to purchase goods or services from the sellers. And our next point of discussion is modern forms of money. In today's world, we found different modern forms of money. First one is currency. Currency means paper, notes, coin. These are come on currency category. The next we found check. Check is also another modern forms of money. Next we found credit card, debit card. These are also comes under different modern forms of money. Next our topic of discussion is formal and informal sector credit in India. Economic activity require loans or credit. Now we found two types of loan, formal sector loans and informal sector loans. Generally, richer households who receive credit maximum from formal sector loans. That means we can say richer households receive their credit from formal sectors mainly, and poorer person they receive their credit from informal sector. Now our next topic of discussion is self-help group. Now what is self-help group? Self-help group is a small group of poor people which promote small saving among their members, and loan is very easy for poor people. This is the group where we found women to become a financially self-dependent. Now why self-help group found in villages? Because banks are not present everywhere in India. And other important thing is that if banks are present, if we found banks are present in villages or some parts of the India, but it is very difficult for poorer because they want some more papers and some documents. So this is a very, and obviously they want some security also. So it is very difficult for poor people to take loans from formal sector. So that is the reason that self-help group is very important for poor people to take loans from bank. Now in final conclusion we can say that in this chapter we have looked at the modern forms of money and how they are linked with the banking system. And credit, as we saw, can have a positive impact or in certain situation make the borrower worse off. And obviously we found in credit system two type of sector, that is formal and informal. Formal sector provide loans for richer persons mainly, and informal sector are provide loans for poor persons mainly. So this is a simple example or simple descriptions of money and credit chapter. Thank you.